Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can prepare your space for Duolingo test. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to browser and go to englishtest.duolingo.com if you want to prepare your space for the English test. So once you're here, press enter and you'll be redirected to the English test of Duolingo's interface. And over here, you'll be able to see purchase a test, practice free, learn more about the test. So you're going to click on learn about the test and then you're going to click on prepare your space. So you're going to be in a quite well-lit room without distractions. Make sure that the lighting is good and you don't have any other noise in the background. And make sure that you have a reliable internet connection. You are having a computer with camera, microphone and speakers. That's why they prefer phones most of the times. And you're going to have a passport, government ID or driver's license because the first 5 minutes of the test require an ID verification. And make sure that you have a phone that is fully charged because you don't want your device to be turned off during the test because your test would be cancelled in that way. So that was how you can prepare your space for Duolingo test. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.